Hello everyone, my name is Kenji, and this is our project for our website that we made for our company, CML. We're excited to show you our project that we made because this project is a project made for a company that provides services in 3 different sectors. One being consulting, second is artists, and third is product shipment and placement. Well, first of all, what is CML? Who is the company we're working for? Like I mentioned previously, CML is a company who prioritizes and specializes in both products, consulting, and artist management. So basically, they're the ones who provide services regarding these 3 aspects. And the website we made specifically highlights all of these 3 different things that they do.
Now, before we start working with the company, we need to find out what is the problem that they're trying to fix. So, the first thing we immediately notice is that when we look at their current website, they only have it for one part of their business, which is events managing for music events. So, what we need to do is to have a website that encompasses all 3, which is musical events, consultancy, and products. And as you can see in the next slide, this is our proposed solution. What we propose with those 3 in mind is a multi-page app that has all of them. And it will make sure that for whoever kind of clients that they need, like for events planners, Filipino businesses that is trying to go into the UAE market, they'll find it right here.
So, for me, contribution. So the first one is I did a high fidelity for our website design with the help of my team members for ideas also. And the second one is tablet responsive layout for a good view for the medium responsive. And the next one is visual consistency maintained. It is made sure all the colors and fonts match across the site. And asset collection, I took some images on the company for our different businesses. And the last one is collaborative development support. And I supported my team with testing and layout changes.
So as for my contributions, I am the team lead of this project. I am the one responsible for managing all of the team members in our project and using them efficiently towards our end goal, which is to develop the website. So what was my main roles in our project? As you can see, since I am the as I am the team lead, I was the person who was in contact with the company always. So essentially, I am the one who is always listening to the companies, listening to suggestions, giving them suggestions about the website, and then giving them an overview of our website development. I'm also the person who resolves miscommunication between the company and our team members. Because without proper communication, we will not be able to do the company website correctly or as efficiently as possible. Lastly, I also contributed a few of my ideas to design for the websites, and then my team expanded upon it. I also let my team contribute their own designs to the website, so that we have a diverse set of features that we can add to our website.
Now, here is my contribution. So, my contribution is that I am the lead design in this team. When we started our website, we first needed a design. We created a full low fidelity website. Basically, the backbone, or where each element is supposed to go, all of that. And next is that I am the UI collaborator. Once we went to the high fidelity stage, all of us decided to contribute on what we want for the website. For my role specifically, I was in charge of making the responsive layout for the mobile web design. Now, my next contribution is in tandem with Mark and G. Paulino. In the beginning, me, Mark and G, and Lauren decided to talk with the company to see what they want us to do. And next is workflow organizing. At the start, we wanted to have a streamlined experience on making this project happen. So I decided to make a workflow that all of us are able to follow up on, as well as suggestions from all of them so that all of us can contribute on what works for us. And finally, I am very adaptive to any process that we might have. We've had some hiccups here and there, but I am able to go with the flow, essentially, and so is everyone else.
My contribution of this project. As I am one of the web developer for this project, my main contribution of this project is developing a website. So we worked on a website using programming language HTML, CSS, SAS, JavaScript to make sure everything works smooth and responsive. And besides developing the website, I have contributed designing. As a layout structure to ensure the smooth flow of the website. And as I have developed 3 pages website: home page, consulting page, and about us page with full responsiveness for tablet and mobile screen. And I have recommended very useful libraries that will be included in our website. We use Swiper library for using the sliders, and we have used the AOS, also known as Animate on Scroll library for showing the elements in an animated way. And I have contributed response debugger as we detected the styling issues in responsiveness and fixed them to make sure that it's consistent responsiveness throughout different screen sizes. And I have communicated with my fellow web developer to ensure to update our coding and solutions for this project.
Hello, Zoresh here. I will be talking about my contributions. First of all, I was also one of the main web developers of this project, as I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then I also helped in layout planning, like in designing the layout. When Lauren was working on it, we developed around 3 pages, rough sketches, you can say. Then I also made responsive pages for all of my pages, which included artist pages, sub pages of within artist pages, which were for 3 bands and a products page. Other than that, I did website testing. I also did some of the custom animations and added interactivity to the website. Custom animations, yep. And yeah, form integration is very vital, as I added a form integration to the models using FormSpray. Other than that, I deployed the website in Vercel. That's all. Thank you.
I'll be presenting result and evaluation. So our website is a modern, interactive, and easy to use. We use a clean layout and design that helps user navigate smoothly. So visual design, with it bright and consistent, style using colors and grid, and navigation, simple layout and color section like home and code and more. And last one is content, well organized and multimedia and very interactive buttons. So the challenges and limitations. First is initiate design difficulties. It was very hard for us to create the first website because the company didn't give us too much, so we had to improvise ourselves. So next is frequent design challenges requests. The company keep changing our website. keep changing our design, so it keeps on delay and delayed asset delivery. We had to get the images, the text, and the logos very late also. And the last one will be is scheduling and timeline issues. So some of us had problems communicating because we had to do something. That's it.
One of the challenges that I will speak about is the font responsiveness issues we got. So even though we used Clamp, we still got the issue in responsiveness. So we had to still further refine the code in responsive design.
And one of the major issue we faced as a developer, the GitHub issue. The GitHub issue that when we both developers tried to commit and push the code, our code, the GitHub didn't allow to merge the code. So to avoid this issue, we decided that one of us will work and push the code, then others will start their work. Yes, this is our all about our challenges.
Do we even have anyone to ask this?
Can I see the website live?
Yes.
You have used any framework or any?
Sir, this is a framework. He used what do you call?
SAS.
No framework, sorry, ma'am.
No, SAS
Just
is
normal
SAS.
JavaScript. What do you call?
CSS SAS or?
Yes, SAS.
Yes.
Yes.
For animation, what did you use?
Animate on scroll.
Animate on scroll, yeah, sorry. And the background animation was custom animation. It's just done in JavaScript. The particles moving in the background. This is the footer, this is the client's part. All these links are working currently.
Go to products page.
Products page. This is the one that I designed.
These are the products.
Yes.
Very expensive though.
Then these are the videos. Then this is only this much for products page. Then
This page, performance.
You can't get a code.
get a code. You get a form and you can fill it and it sends the form to the company.
You can message. So this is going on WhatsApp or on the?
You can call to the WhatsApp as well, sir. You open WhatsApp and it will take you over there, okay?
And this is responsive.
Yes, responsive will show you that as well.
Fully responsive.
So when you submit, the form is successfully sent to the company. The other sections are also same. In this, the company asks us to create 3 other sub pages for the artist page. This band, the ABC band. So there are 3 more pages within these pages.
So are we going to publish this?
Yeah.
We're just waiting for their domain now.
And what about your individual contributions? Like percentage, equal percentage, like your marks should be given equally.
I believe we all did like a pretty equal job with everything, even though we didn't really show it in the presentation yet. But we all did our part.
This is the consenting page.
Okay, I think that's it. Well done. Very good.
Sir, when you see the code, you can find the features out. Right now, it's not.
Okay, I will see that in detail, but it looks good on the first impression.
I will show you for Yeah, it's about this place. This form is also same. It's also the same. The company gets the email of the.
I think now you should publish this, and this is also
This is tablet.
Tablet. Sorry, tablet. Tablet is almost the same. So now for mobile.